Okay, heading out to test drive these new EBC Redstuff pads and try to document my disapproval with them. Fresh, clean rims. Starting from there. And mileage check. And we'll head out and warm the brakes up a little bit and show you some squeal. This really sucks. I've got about 1,000 miles on these pads and not showing any signs of getting better. It's ridiculous. Now that I'm back, let's try checking the dust on the pads and the wheels. Didn't drive too many miles. Quite a bit of it was highway also. Let's see what we got. That's ridiculous. These are low dust pads. I got to clean these wheels every time I go out and go basically anywhere. It's just not acceptable. So there you have it. Never do EBC Redstuff again, and wouldn't recommend it. Just wanted to do a quick check here in the garage on the other side. Make sure everything's the same. So there you have it. There you go.